Hey all, in this video I will be sharing you 7 gig ideas which require zero skills and can make you up to $10,000 a month with proof. First one is subtitling videos and transcribing audio. As a quick way to make money on Fiverr, you can do subtitling and transcription of videos and podcasts. If you have a good ear, this can be quick work. In order to increase the number of people who watch your videos, you can use services that provide automatic subtitles. You just have to upload a video and it will create subtitles for you. Editing them from there is pretty straightforward. Out of any services that exist, Transcribe is one of the best to use to transcribe recordings. You can go back and forth between audio playback rates, stop at intervals, or pause your progress anytime during your transcription. It's a lifesaver. Coming to the second, travel planning. Do you love traveling? You can make some extra money by providing useful information to buyers who are looking for things like travel advice or help planning their trip. If you know your way around a touristy city or are an expert in finding the best place to go, this is something worth considering. Third, social media services. If you're social media savvy, you may be able to use your skills to make some quick cash. You can offer your services for businesses by writing creative copy or advising on how to boost someone's following. On fourth weave, data entry. Data entry can be boring, but it pays well if you don't know what to do. Buyers will often provide you with data from forms, audio, or other means for entry into a spreadsheet or a unique system that they use. The most you'll never have. Fifth, you can work as a virtual assistant. There's a good chance you know someone who was once a virtual assistant and is now working in an entirely different profession. This Fiverr Gig idea has been on the radar for quite some time, and fortunately, it doesn't require too much knowledge to do. Buyers are looking for administrative tasks completed, from tasks like making an appointment to answering emails. The best part is you don't even need to go into an office to do it. Sixth, software testing. Companies are always looking for people to test the usability of their new websites, apps, software, and other technology. You can post a gig offering your services to test out new software and provide your feedback. Buyers will typically give you instructions on how to start using the tech, so you don't need a lot of knowledge beforehand. Seventh and the last one is phone calls and distribution services. If you're not afraid of calling up strangers or distributing flyers in public, consider posting a gig for just that. Companies need people to make phone calls selling something or asking for feedback. You can also post gigs specific to locations and offer to hand out flyers or ads in your neighborhood.